Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can input two-step verification via SMS on your OnlyFans account. To do so, first of all, you just have to open up your OnlyFans from your Google Chrome browser. After that, log into your OnlyFans account and then you'll be on the home page of OnlyFans. And here you can see an option for My Profile. If you click on this My Profile, you can see you have been taken to a different page, and here is an option for Edit Profile. You can also directly go to More and click on Settings as well. After that, go on to Accounts and scroll down until you see the option for two-step verification. After that, you can see an option for verification via SMS. If you just enable this pop-up will appear where now you can select the country and also input your phone number to enable your verification via SMS in your OnlyFans account. Now input your number and click on Save. After that, just refresh your page. And now, your verification via SMS will be done. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.